Hey everyone, it's Jasmine from Jazz Up the Plan, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Coco Daisy sticker kits because I am one of their influencers for the month of January, which is super exciting. So that was the planner kit, and this is the memory keeping sticker kit. They have a ton of different options for kits and things on their website. But these are the two kits that they sent me, and guys, these are amazing. So I'm just showing you like the size. So I'm assuming they're 5x7. I'm pretty sure that's what it said on the website. So this is just like a visual size, so you know what to expect. But yeah, these are super cool. So I'm gonna start with the planner kit, and these are wrapped really nicely. I had actually already opened these, so they were probably wrapped even nicer, but I like it. It's super simple packaging, kind of what you would expect from like an Etsy shop, but you know, a little more. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with the planner kit, which comes with these super cute little dots. Let me move that memory kit out of the way because the reflection is all up in the way. So yeah, let's do that first. Okay, so they have these transparent dots, which I have been using this in my Archer and Olive journal this week, and I love them. I've been using them for deco, but they would of course work perfectly for little bullet points in your planner. And they're cute. They're transparent, so when you put them on paper, you're going to see through like to the white paper. So that's really cool. And then these are the full boxes. So you get 9 on this page and then some washi. So the theme is called New Chapter, and it's this bright rainbow theme with a ton of like blues and yellows and oranges mixed in, and obviously your New Year's kind of quotes. So like, this is your year, make it count, 12 months, 52 weeks, those kind of quotes. But I love that they went with rainbow. Usually you see for New Year's that they have like gold and stuff. And then this is a strip of icons, but it's one full washi sheet, so you could use it to make a habit tracker. That's what I'm assuming. And then you have some full box like checklist and trackers. So I like the little what is that, like a board, a clipboard. And so you have a few of those with some habit trackers mixed in that you could put on your weekly sideboards of your planner. And then you have these individual ones. I'm just pulling it up so you can see, and they're kind of like a faint ombre color. They're not fully solid colors, so that's like a faint rainbowy color. And so I like that. It's a little different. And then you have your quarter boxes and your half boxes. And some of these are habit trackers, some of these are just boxes you can use in your planner. I think that was a kid that interrupted me. And then you also have some prompts there in the black. And then I'm just showing you like these are, I like the little daisies right there. That's cute. You got it, Coco Daisy. And you also have those little birds that show up throughout the kit, which I think are absolutely adorable. And so you have these little prompts here that you can use throughout your planner or your monthly. And then you have habit trackers that say hydrate, but you could always cut that off and use it for anything. And then you have your headers here, which this is such a nice rainbow pattern. It's like a different tone of rainbow. I really like it. So you have to-dos, today's, menu plan, this week, next week. Then you have tabs. So they're cut so that you can fit 4 on this page. So these are the flags, and then the other ones are more like an arrow. I like that. I also like the polka dot pattern, so very nice. So this is January's kit. They're on their website, they seem to be a month ahead, but you can still purchase the new chapter like kits if you go to their website and you say purchase older kits. And so they have tons of kits available. They have like obviously like scrapbooking kits and planner kits, kits that come with TNs, kits that come with all sorts of things. I will actually link another review that shows you a ton of different kits and everything like that in the description box below. But yeah, so this is the planner one, and I like the washi, like the watercolor and everything. The washi you get in these little flag boxes. I just think it's a perfect amount of stickers for a month, or even just, a couple of weeks. So I think it's great. And so I like the little teacups. The illustrations here are just so cute, And then you get this page of washi strips, which I thought these were just big old one strips of washi, but they're individual. So it's 3 strips of each theme, and you get like a medium size, and then in the middle it's a thinner. They're also transparent. The ones on the pages are paper, but this sheet is transparent. And then you get like a little skinny one, and then like a smaller one. So yeah, perfect. So it's 3 in each. So that's great. You can really stretch this out for as long as you need. So I love it. I've been loving this kit, I swear. So I like the different plays they have on like this kind of Art Deco style. So that was the planner kit. I think this is a really full kit. I've never bought a planner sticker kit, but I love this one. So this is perfect. Perfect for planning. And now I'm going to also show you guys the memory keeping kit. But yeah, let me put this one away first. And let me know what you guys think about the planner kit in the comments below. So this is the memory keeping kit. The artwork is similar because the same collection, but the size is bigger, which I will show you very soon. But you get, then instead of the dots here, you get these little prompts because memory keeping, you're most likely journaling or doing some reflection, things like that. And so the boxes are bigger. So think like the big Happy Planner memory keeping, like that kind of size boxes. And I like these to say recorded here. So these are perfect for obviously memory keeping. So I'm just showing you here the reference of size. I also noticed the colors are different, so that's cool. But yeah, so it's definitely bigger than the planner kit. So the planner kit is more of like a classic Happy Planner, maybe even EC size boxes. And these are the same boxes. And then you have flags on there, you have these little headers and some washi strips here. Then you have one of my favorite pages, which is a page of prompts in different rainbow colors. I love stickers like this. And then I like that it says it's got to be a better year. Like, hell yeah. And then you have the date on here with the smiley faces, circles. I love a good circle sticker. You have washi strips at the bottom. You have here, you have a page with more boxes and tabs and deco. So I like this a lot. These are so cute. You had me at January is the month too. And I'm just gonna pull it up and let you see. So those are like kind of glossy. I don't know how to describe it, but they're not paper, like fully paper. So yeah, and then just a ton of like little tabs here and deco and things like that. Super cute. I've been loving these. Check out my Instagram stories because when this goes up, I will also show you guys like how I've been using this in my journal. Okay. All right. So these are the alpha stickers. I love a good alpha sticker. That was like my favorite discovery of 2020. Alpha stickers. And so you get a ton of those. And then you get a full page of quotes, which who doesn't love a good quote page, especially when it's in rainbow. And so whatever you decide to do, make sure it makes you happy. I mean, I can relate to that. And learn from yesterday, live for today, and just fun, inspirational New Year's type quotes. And so that was the memory keeping kit. I love it. I freaking love it. I would totally buy both of these together. I would even get like some of the kits they have come with more stuff like papers and die cuts and things, I believe. Don't quote me. But yeah, so they just have so many fun things, and I'll leave the description in the description box. I'll leave a link for the website there so you can check out all the fun things. And the February kit, y'all, amazing. So I pulled out my Happy Planner so that you guys see how the boxes would fit in here, and I will do a like a plan with me type thing using this kit, because obviously it has to go into my memory planner this week. And so this is the big box, and so I just wanted to show you guys that it's definitely more in size for the big happy planner like vertical. So as you can see, but you could totally use this in here if you want. You guys know that size does not matter. So I pulled up my big planner so you could see. So yeah, but I don't have a big vertical, so I have a horizontal, so this was kind of pointless, but you guys get what I'm trying to show you here. And yeah, so just so you guys know and you're prepared for that. But you could always trim those stickers down or just ignore the size altogether and use them however you'd like. And then this is the planner kit. And so the planner kit boxes are actually smaller than the happy planner boxes. So like they don't fully fit in from top to bottom, which is okay also. Like you can use your stickers however you'd like. So I'm gonna actually stick this in here just because I'm already here. And so you could always put washi either at the top or the bottom if it bothers you. This box is white, so you really can't really tell where it doesn't fit in. But yeah, you could always add a washi, a header, or outline it, or figure it out. Not figure it out, but you guys know what I mean. Like just do some other things. You could layer it with another box, all kinds of things. So yeah. You could put some alphas. So I was gonna like fully plan and decorate the page, but I decided not to. I'm gonna wait and use it for next week and decorate next week because I like to have something to decorate. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you here. So yeah, the washi would fit perfectly right there. It looks so cute, right? So maybe I will do that when I start getting into the page and decorating everything. So that is the plan for that. But this kit is just, these kits are great. They're like a perfect sample, a little taste to add to your collection of stickers, because we all love some good stickers. And if you want to see how I'm using these, like I said, totally check it out on Instagram. I'll be doing some more videos over here using these kits, using these stickers, and mixing them in with my other collection. But let me know what you guys think. I just love the artwork. The artwork inspires me to pull out all my paints and things. I'm going to show you some tape I have in my collection that you could use. So this is, I believe, Dina Wakley tape. And so I feel like the rainbow little like scribbly abstract art would go perfect. So you have that, pull that out for this month and use that with this kit because it's the perfect combination. So yeah, and I did want to show you guys how the boxes would fit in the Archer and Olive planner because those boxes are different than the Happy Planner ones. And they fit actually perfectly. I was afraid they'd either be they'd be too big, but they fit really nicely in the planner, as you'll see right about now. So let me show you guys that. So right there, I just put this Hello January. And I haven't really done much in this planner yet, but I'm excited to kick it off using this fun, new chapters kit. I'm so grateful. So yeah, it's a little bit of space, but that totally doesn't bother me. So yeah, it's a really great kit, and you should definitely check this out, especially if you love that artsy, bright rainbow style, which if you're hanging out with me, you probably do. And so I'm just going to put the dates there. You could use these for your monthly, or if you're doing memory keeping, just, to write something that needs a number. But yeah, I'm just going to use it to date this planner that's undated. So yeah. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And thank you so much to the Cocoa Daisy team for sending me these super cool stickers. And like I said, I cannot wait to show you guys some more projects and things that I plan on doing with these stickers because I freaking love them. I've been using them up already, using them up. All right, so I'll see you guys very, very soon. Once again, everything will be in the description box below. And let me know if you guys have tried Cocoa Daisy before, because I don't know, just let me know. All right, so see you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe.